Okay. Tama din ako. Usang battery ako. Okay. Sarili natin with Ludi Walilo.
Good day po mga kapitbahay. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. At welcome pong muli dito sa ating TV show, Sarili Natin, The Filipino Community Show. And today we are so lucky to have a beauty specialist who will give us some tips kung paano ba natin ma-maintain ang ating mga beautiful faces, our skin, at lalo na po para po tayo lalong gumanda at kuminang ang ating mga beauty, o di ba? Well, without further ado, I'd like to welcome our good friend, Miss Karen Kaday of Beauty and Health by Dr. K. Kumusta ka na, sister?
Thank you for inviting me over,
Well, of
Sis
course.
Ludi, kay brother. I'm so glad na in-invite nila ako to share my knowledge kung paano magkaroon ng young looking face.
Yes.
Yeah. So para actually all of us will grow old naman talaga. But then if we can slow it down, why not?
Maintain
right?
it.
Yeah.
Maintain it, right?
Yeah, and slowing it down. Para at least sabing, the more younger you're looking at, parang sabihin nila, oh, confidence.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, oo. Can you imagine going to have yung mag-ano ka ng skin mo, alagaan mo ang skin mo, then people will ask, oh, I didn't know you're that old.
Yeah.
Actually, I'd like to ask Sister Karen or Dr. K for the benefits of our viewer to tell us more about yourself.
Okay, at first I started with the massage therapist muna ako, from Philippines. And then when I came here in Canada, I upgraded into, nag-study pa ulit ako ng massage therapy. So I'm good in massage. And I've been a massage therapist for 22 years. And then, yeah.
Wow.
I'm the expert. I'm good at it. I'm proud of myself being a massage therapist. But then, over the time, siyempre nakakapagod din. And then I upgraded myself. I went to acupuncture lessons. So I enrolled myself. And then when I passed the board exam, and it's so privileged that here in Canada, binibigyan ka ng title na doctor. Yeah.
Talaga?
So at
Dati
first-
makapag-doktor kaya din ako, acupuncture.
Yeah.
Bigla namang tinalo.
3-year course. And then, 2 days na exam na halos heartbreaking.
Talaga.
Ewan ko lang kung ilang tissue paper na ubos ko para makapasok.
pero
Memorize
sister,
everything.
yung unang ano mo talagang massage. And then dito nag-upgrade ka ng acupuncturist.
Oh, na-upgrade na
Very
ako.
fortunate naman,
Yeah.
ano?
And then now, skin specialist na ako. So,
diba?
yeah.
So, paano ka naman napunta sa skincare? Why you choose skincare, sister?
Actually,
Acupuncturist ka na eh.
yeah, because I started doing facial acupuncture.
Oo.
So, ayun, lahat kasi, marami kasi akong pimple scar na talagang, once a month, I see to it that I go for facial, I go for cleaning.
Oo.
My skin is stretched, but then nandun ang scar, yung pimple scar talaga ayaw matanggal. So, I started doing needle of myself. I started and upgraded my integumentary, the lesson thing na kailangan.
Yeah.
So, tapos inano ko na mag-needle ako ng sarili ko. And then later I found out, maganda ang lola. Yeah, and then sabi ko, yung mga scar, nag-fade out.
Oh, yeah.
So, sabi ko, I tried, nag-acupuncture, facial acupuncture ako. Acufacial ang tawag nila doon. And then sabi ko, what if I upgraded it? So, I searched for lessons online na basic lang.
Yes.
Ayokong maging dermatologist kasi haba na mga... Mag-aral na ako ng 5 taon, no?
Talaga?
Maganda na kasi yung pag-aaral ng esthetician kasi dito. It's not regulated pa so far. So, everybody can have lesson online na you can have it, may practical, and then sabi ko, and then why not? So when I have all the certifications that I need, I started to buy simple machines, small machines, and
Of course,
then,
start mo na sa maliliit
Oo,
muna.
yung mga
Yan.
basic machine lang.
Oh, yeah. Oo.
Dermabrasion, mga suctions, and then I have everything na, and then I started and then said, I have enough money to buy the big one. Actually, the 2025, they are selling only 10 in 1, 11 in 1.
Oo.
And then only, I think, November when they opened the 14 in 1.
Itong last year lang.
Nito na last year lang, 14 in 1. Oh my gosh, sabi ko, I don't have 5K to buy that machine. But I work hard. And I said, when I have enough, my credit card is good. So I said, okay, I'll buy that one. So I'm the only one, I don't know whoever, I'm the only one who bought that 14 in 1 machine. The best machine plus your best cream would gonna make you more younger. The way I did to you.
Oo, talaga. Pero meron na namang bago na naman na darating. Bibili ka na naman.
May 18 in 1 na nga. Ano kung
talaga?
January,
Oh my
so
God.
hindi na kaya ng kayamanan.
Oo. Hindi, kung magagamit mo naman on yourself, and of
Yeah.
course for the others
Eventually,
to have their own, na kumikinang na beauty, o, di ba?
Yung sabi nilang Korean glass skin.
Yes. Di ba ang gaganda ng mga Korean?
Oo, kaya.
Yung mukha nila.
That's why-
Yun ang kailangan natin gayanin.
Kaya that's why all of my creams are from Korea and Japan and
Oh,
of
yeah,
course
yeah.
from China. So,
Yeah.
mas maganda siyang effect.
Yes, I used the one that you gave me, the
Yeah, the
liquid
ginseng.
form. Yes.
Yeah.
Talagang pag
Yeah.
payari kong ilagay, parang kumikinang ang
Yeah,
skin mo.
I used that one since COVID time. That's why I trusted that one. Whenever some, even our association, because I'm now a member of Beauty Association of Canada, because as of now, esthetician here in Canada is not regulated yet, but then eventually they will. That's why I found a beauty council. I become a member there so
Okay.
that whenever you have affiliations of membership, yeah, and it's good that I have the privilege because I already have a title of a doctor, so mas easier siya na.
Of course.
Yeah.
So, sister, anong mabibigay mo namang tips doon sa mga hindi pa nagaganito na beauty kung kasi hindi naman lahat can afford, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, mabibigay mong tip doon sa mga iba na hindi pa ma-afford for this time.
Yeah,
Maybe,
massage will do. Actually, I have a page, Dr. Karen Grace Kaday.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Follow me there. As of now, I have 219 followers.
Oh,
19K
nice.
followers.
Oh,
So,
talaga.
I instructed there or show how to massage your face.
Okay.
Especially underneath the eye bag.
Oo.
It's a kidney deficiency. So it means the flow of the kidney fluid within our body is hard to eliminate. That's why it's stuck.
Kaya
into
nagkakaroon ng eye
eye
bag.
bags. Yeah.
Oh, paano ito? Ako, eye bag ko, inborn. Paano yun?
Hindi naman. You can tap your skin like this and then stretch it out. You do it, actually it started, they said 10 times. Pero sa akin, kasi obsessed akong bumana talaga. Kaya,
Oo. Apply din yan sa mga wrinkles.
yeah.
Oh, yes.
Stretching your face, you stretch your face, kasi naka-makeup ang lola, kaya ba?
Bawal.
Baka yung gua siya, alam mo yung stone? The one you can buy from dollar store.
Yeah,
Pink,
yeah.
the pink.
Oh, yes.
the- may rollers niya.
Yeah, oo.
ganyan. So, ang tendency kasi, you have to stretch every corner kasi yan, sa kidney, ito yung intestine, ito yung heart, ito yung liver. So, ang pataas mo yun, ganun mo ng stone.
Lahat.
Oo,
Tapos ganyan. Oh.
Pero pagdating dito sa gilid,
Sa may bandang tenga.
you have to put it down. Kasi
ganun
dito
naman.
yung draining ng mga liquid sa yung muscles na platysma ang tawag dito. Kaya, when they say, even how stretch your face, but your neck is wrinkled, it says your age. Baka sabi niya, ang ganda nga niya, pero ang leeg niya,
Wrinkled.
kulibot.
Kulubot, yes.
Yeah, so you stretch it down. Parang ganun. Kahit na,
Di parang sususo naman pupunta.
hindi, ang draining kasi ng liquid sa katawan natin from neck to armpit. Yung
ganun.
Yung paglabas ng mga toxin sa katawan.
I see. So, dito sa noo is for the liver.
Going up, and then sa eyes going
Eye
on the
bag,
side,
going
the face na side. Pagdating sa gilid, you have to drain it down. Ganon.
Oh,
Yeah,
I see.
para mabanat ang face. And of course, before you do that, make sure you clean your hands, ha? Kasi baka kapag marumi ang hand, sensitive ang face natin. Baka magkaroon ng bacteria, magka-pimple tayo. So,
I see. Oh, ayan.
Yeah.
Ayan, nakakuha kayo ng tip kay Dr. K. At saka, mga kapitbahay, follow her page. Marami po kayong matututunan. Isa na ako dyan. And then, if they need your services, sister, paano kanila makontak?
Yeah, you can message me in my Facebook, Dr. Dr. Karen Grace Caday. And my cell phone is 780-885-8349.
Yan.
You can text me. Sorry, I don't answer calls. I'm so busy. So, text lang ako.
Oo. So sister, yung itong acupuncturist naman na ginagawa mo, ano naman ang health benefits? Hindi kasi ako marunong. Hindi ko alam yan eh.
You know, before I started with the face, it started also with the facial acupuncture.
Oo.
And acupuncture is even more better with the massage. Massage, you can only massage superficial, right? Nandun lang yung upper muscles. But if the problem is a deeper muscles, needle is very good.
Oh, okay,
And acupuncture is even better than antibiotic.
Ah,
Because
ganun.
the science explanation that when the needle gets into the body, immune system surrounded the muscles because they wanted to dissolve the muscles. Ang advantage nun, ang inflammation will subside because antibody and all the fluids and nutrients will go to the needle and then they will attack the needle. But then, ang advantage nun, you will release of all the inflammation kasi nandun na sila.
Oh,
Yeah, so
I
it's
see,
more
I see.
better than taking the antibiotic.
So kung may mga ano ka dyan sa katawan, yun ang kailangan mo.
Oo. And
Not
then,
only the massage.
Yeah, and then Dr. of Acupuncture is gifted with identifying the feature of the body. We can diagnose through tongue. Kasi ang tongue natin, yun ang magdedetermine kung anong internal organs natin. And we can determine by the pulse. In my page, in my Dr. Karen Grace Caday, I taught how to check your pulse. In your left, you have the heart, the liver, and the kidney kidney yin. And the right side, you have the lungs. You have the small stomach and small intestine, and then the kidney yin. So, I've been teaching there how you can diagnose yourself. If when is the time you have to really go to the doctor. Be cautious of if your tongue color is purple. It means you have a bad blockage there, blood stasis, it means. So, that's why, to those who will come to me, pag sinabing lower back and knee problem, I have that idea already, you have a kidney problem.
Ay, kung sa mga pigi naman, yung dito.
Yan, sa gilid. Usually,
Anong problema nun?
QL, mostly quadratus lumborum, yung parang shape ng ganon, na parang, yun ang mga cause din ng lower back pain. Anything muscular, you have a stomach and spleen deficiency. So, it means ang digestive function mo, hindi maganda. Pag may skin problem ka naman, lungs naman yun ang problem mo.
Kahit hindi ka naninigarilyo, meron pa rin yun?
Oo, kasi minsan, ano tawag mo, yung second-hand smoking, parang na-absorb na environment. And I even have somebody who came to me na may grabbing mga blisters niya, but then I can see the line of blisters is within the lung area. And then hospital siya, and I told his aunt that I said, parang I have that feeling, TB yan. Kaya nung pinadiagnose siya, TB nga, may tuberculosis of the lung siya.
Ganun.
So parang...
Di ba, paano yun?
Sa hospital naman siya, but then nung...
Hindi mo na siya ginalaw?
Hindi ko na ginalaw, kasi contagious na siya.
Yeah.
But then, during those time, pag alam kong lung problem, nagmamask na talaga ako, kasi mahirap din, cautious din ako when it comes to that. Yeah.
And then, how long ba yung acupuncture na yan?
Usually, pag gusto mo lang i-activate, 15-20 minutes, okay na yan. But then, kung talagang super in pain siya, kailangan talagang longer time.
Yung mga halimbawa, may mga arthritis, kaya mo rin ano yung mga ganun?
Arthritis, it could take longer kasi nandyan na siya eh. Kung nag-uumpisa pa lang, yung parang constant pain pa lang siya, it would help. Pero kung arthritis na siya, na longer na siya, if he suffered already more than years, paano ko siya gagawin ng instant lang, di ba? So, yung mga acute lang, yung parang na-slip lang siya yesterday, nag-injury lang siya mga few weeks. Acupuncture.
Yung mga halimbawa, mamaga pa, mga gano'n.
Yeah, it's very good.
Pwede rin sa acupuncture.
Pag edema, yung may mga tubig, it's very good. Kidney deficiency yun. So, may mga points talaga
siya.
So,
kaya mo yun anuhin?
Oo naman.
Talaga.
Yung mga natapilok lang or anything, it's so easy. And then, pag ganyan yan, i-diagnose ko siya sa tongue and sa pulse. Sabihin ko sa kanya na ang source niyan is from your stomach. Kasi yun na naman stomach or kidney ang mga edema, yung mga inflammation. Pag mostly prone siya sa back pain or sa lower back pain, kidney yun. Tapos kung may asthma naman siya, ang asthma kasi, kung nahirapan siya mag-inhale, kidney yun. Kung nahirapan siya mag-exhale, lungs yun.
Okay. How about yung ano naman, sinasabi ko sa'yo yung iba, nangyayari sa akin eh. Gaya ngayon, yung yung about yung vertigo.
Oh yeah, vertigo is kung sa
Yan ang kalaban ko eh,
Oh,
vertigo.
kung sa Western medicine, ang inner ear yung problem nun. Pero for us, it's environment, most likely sa wind. Kasi sa science, sa Western medicine, di sa naniniwala sa wind, sa cold eh. Kami kasi sa Chinese medicine, we believe in the wind. Exposure ng wind, exposure ng ang tawag nun, yung mga headache na yun, cause ng environment yun eh.
Okay.
So kasi kung sa Western kasi, mostly internal lang talaga ang iniisip nila na cause yun ng cochlea, na damage ng ear problem, so mga blockage dun sa head. Pero for us, mostly environmental yun, nag-cause ng mga headache. Pero na dito sa atin, prone tayo kasi malamig.
Yeah, that's right. So ayan po, pakinggan nyo yung mga ibang tips ni Dr. K.
Yeah.
So if you needed her services, you can contact her anytime. 24/7 yata siya open.
Ano man.
Pero hindi siya tumatanggap ng calls, message lang.
Text lang ako kasi busy ka rin ng lola.
Oo. So bigay mo ulit sa kanila yung contact mo, sister.
780-885-8349. So,
Tsaka yung page, siyempre. Para mapalo ka nila.
Okay, Dr. Dr. Karen Grace Caday.
Yan. So, huwag niyo pong kalilimutan, ha? Dr. K.
Yeah, Dr. K.
Just siya, anong nang ang title ng ano mo?
Beauty and
Health
by
by
Dr.
Dr. K. Yan. Huwag niyo pong kalilimutan, ulitin ko na naman, Beauty and Health by Dr. K.
Yes.
Dr. Karen Caday. Yan, ang ating pong kaibigan. And thank you very much for joining us here sa aming programa. And it's good to have you here.
Yeah, thank you too for having me here. Okay.
Congratulations and
Yeah.
good day.
Yes,
Mabuhay.
for sure. Hi. Thank you.